I'm still stuck on what our celebrity defendants Thelma and Louise have been charged with. Yes, I can't be told what the charges are because Thelma and Louise's privacy needs to be protected. And many of you have made some interesting suggestions. Thanks for your support. Let's unpack some of those suggestions. First idea sent to me was to make a fake media ID. No! Wow, there are so many things you can download where you can create a media ID or press pass. I didn't know that, and that's a bit disturbing. This whole exercise is about members of the public who are not media accessing information about legal proceedings. So I assure you, all the information I get, I do so by being honest with the court and saying I'm not media. This places me in the category of general public just like you. So clearly I do not have a degree in journalism. However, I do have other degrees, one of which relates to law. This brings us to the next suggestion. Why don't I use my qualifications to try and get the information? Again, not the point of the exercise. In my opinion, a person shouldn't need a law degree to be able to access public information. So I was being honest with the court when I say I'm a non-party to the proceedings. I am not the solicitor involved in the case. This makes me a member of the public. When I'm screened at the courtroom door, I am regularly asked by the sheriff if I am a solicitor. I'm always honest and make it very clear I'm not here to make an appearance, rather I'm just observing. I want it to be clear I'm sitting in the gallery as an observer only. I don't think having a law degree should matter when you want to find out public information about cases you are interested in. By the way, I'm talking about cases being heard in an open court. There's no suppression order. It's not a case from the Children's Court and it doesn't involve kids. These are just everyday cases from the local court. Cases like high-range drink driving that I argue the community should be aware of, particularly to deter others from doing the same offence. In addition, I think the public should know how the legal system is handling itself. Is the court actually following the law? We have so many freedoms in this country. I think having conversations about our legal system is one of those freedoms. I'm not sure why it's so hard to find out information. Meanwhile, I'll consider making fake IDs for Thelma and Louise because giving them fake names is how I am avoiding privacy issues but still attempting to have a conversation about legal proceedings from my local area here in Maitland.